24 degrees out. Had a little bit of snow, not too much. Doesn't look like we're supposed to get any more here for the foreseeable future anyway. Actually feels colder than 24. It's a cold 24. And before I do any more, gotta get some heat in this place. Okay, let's get to work on the Bronco. I think the ground will work there. I think, should. Sleepy dogs. And I did have a piece already made for this. I kind of forgot what I was going to do over here, but I have this piece here that was already cut out that I'm fitting in on top of here, and then I'm going to take another piece and just go from up here, and I'll make it fit. It's not going to be the prettiest, but it's going to be solid. Also going to be covered up. Did that just in time. Time flies, doesn't it, boys and girls? It's December, not November. Look at that. And speaking of a Bronco like that, Central Oregon Shenanigans is putting a Bronco together, a 78 Bronco. Not exactly sure what they're doing on that right now. I know they're just about ready to put a lift kit on it. So hop over to Central Oregon Shenanigans and check them out. I'll link them down below and on the end screen. And before I show the Bronco here, real quick, if you have anything you want to send into the Fox shop, like a license plate for the license plate wall or anything, address is down in the description. Also a link down there for channel stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, all that kind of stuff. It's down below as well. And talking about channel stickers, I've been working on getting that set up so you don't have to rely on me to ship the things out. I'm just not very good at it. I did have an order, well, a couple of orders towards the end of last week, and over the weekend those did get shipped out, but sometimes I'm not extremely timely on doing that. If you do order stickers, I don't say for a Christmas thing or something, I will try to get those shipped out as soon as I get the orders. And like I said, I was trying to get them made so I didn't have to do that, but the company I'm going through, well, I got it all set up and the price was actually higher than what I'm selling them for, and I emailed them asking if I can adjust that price, get it down to what I'm selling them for. I haven't heard back from them or anything, so we'll have to see what goes on there. I'm not sure on the quality either. These are pretty nice quality stickers. They're vinyl, seem to be pretty durable, and I don't want to get some cheaper quality sticker at a more expensive price. So for now, I'm just going to keep doing what I've been doing. Also, if you're wanting to order any hoodies, t-shirts, that type of thing, like I said, the link's down below for that. Maybe a Christmas present for yourself or somebody else. Might want to get on that. I have to order mine as well, and usually doesn't take very long, but it might take a week and a half before they arrive, especially this time of year. So if you have been thinking about that, you might want to get on it. And I'm working on coming out with another sticker. It'd be the same style as on the back of this shirt. It's the flag style. Maybe coming out with those, also looking into getting some hats made and maybe some other things. But as far as the Bronco goes, making some progress here. It's not all done. Got this corner pretty well taken care of. There's still, I need to fill this in right down here, and then the same over there. It's not going to take a whole lot more. This side might actually be, it's got about the same amount left to do. I gotta fill in a little bit right in here, and then right down in here. I have to close that all up, and then go around and weld all these joints solid. So a little bit of welding, not too bad. The hard part's done anyway, so that won't be too bad to weld all that up. Took a little while to get that all pieced together, but I think it's going to be okay. And then, like I've said before, I'm going to get that done off camera. I'm going to probably do this off camera as well. Patch this little hole up back here. Then we're coming back and we're going to get to work on the rear sill. Not exactly sure how the heck I'm going to do this because there's just nothing really to go off of. As you can tell, there's nothing here. There's nothing holding anything together. This side's worse than this side, but this side isn't a whole lot better. But that's going to be the next thing. We're going to get this out of here. Well, not completely. Like I've said before, it's actually okay from just inside the outside of the frame rail, from right in here over to about the same place over here. Maybe actually a little further. No, I think it is about here. If you get up underneath there, it goes to about in here, I believe. And so that part isn't bad. It's just these outside pieces. So gonna have a little work to do there, but we'll get something figured out. And I really hope that rear sill turns out to be like these corners here. I really was not looking forward to doing this, and once I got into it, it wasn't as bad as I had built up in my head. So I'm hoping when I get back to the rear sill, which is going to be very soon, that turns out to be a little easier than what I'm anticipating. Get that taken care of, and then we can start having some actual fun with the Bronco, and it's going to start taking shape. So I'm going to take this up to the house. I'm going to edit, upload, all that, and then I have to go get fuel for the heater. It's supposed to get down to like 5 or 8 degrees tonight, and I'm out of fuel. Well, not completely out of fuel. It's got some in it, but I don't have any on hand. So with that being said, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.